Here it is, the RoboUP mowing the lawn. My husband set up the antenna, which we hooked up to our antenna way like up there above the bush a little bit. So now it's got GPS signal. Then he set up the zones. And it says on its status screen that it is indeed mowing. So, here we are. It's doing its thing. Okay, let's test a hypothetical situation. Let's say I have my bearded dragon and she gets loose and she's in the yard and the lawnmower's going. What's gonna happen? Oh, that's pretty cool. It goes around. Okay. That's pretty darn cool. Bearded dragon / chameleon test succeeded. Nice job, RoboUP. How cool is this? It mows at night. It's got headlights to see what it's doing. So yeah, the sucker works in all temperatures, but not in the rain. It'll set itself back in the dock if it starts to rain. And if the battery's running low, it'll dock itself. It takes about like an hour and a half to charge. And then it'll go back on duty after it's charged. And that blade, that didn't quite get that weed. But yeah, you can see where it's been, all those little lines. So it's working. And we had to put the antenna, see that blue light? That's where we had to put like the antenna or the satellite, you know, whatever system for GPS on our antenna. So that blue light's where is the beacon that thing reports to. So pretty cool so far. I'm glad to see it working at night, and now it's happy with the beacon location. We're good.